a great story about how Ariel became a human. But that Ursula, ooh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me your voice, she says. And Ariel gets all flustered and don't know what she's saying. Wait, let me start it again. What the? What am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it ends. Oh, wait. I got an idea. I'll start it again.
Get your head out of the clouds and back in the water where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there. Rocking out the blackfish, she seems to scare that the splat they will wear its hat and will that blowfish under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work okay. Out in the sun they slave away. Who are you floating? What are you floating under the sea? Down in all the fish is happy as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, but they said goes the empty bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse of fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes you got the empty plate. Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us right.
Ursula has great power. So Ariel is with Ursula, wants to live happily ever after with her friend. Happily ever after. Ursula.
Yes, I've ended all my ways. Repentance in the fact it made us such traitors. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to our golden rights, bills and degrees, and I help them. Yes, I do. I lead us a brood of the winds of the Caspian Sea. Princess lost like the same.
hope you